Hello, kindergartners and learning coaches. We are starting these Fluency sentences sheets. This will help us become better readers so that we can read in a way other people can understand us. You are going to work on these sheets with your learning coach, and you will read each time you sit down to read them. You'll read it 3 times. See how there's 3 stars? Doop, doop, doop. If you print it out, you could even color in a star each time you finish. But you don't have to print it out. You can just keep track in another way if you would like. You will work on one page for however long it takes until you can read it by yourself with no help. Once you could read the whole thing by yourself with no help, you can move on to the next page. You should try to get through 2 pages every week, but some of you can go through a lot more because you're ready, and some of you might not be ready, and that's okay too. Just work with your learning coach and keep practicing. That's how we become good readers. We stay resilient. We keep going even though it's hard sometimes. Let me show you how these pages work. Each page has a number. It tells you what Fluency sheet number it is. Then it has a title. So this says Cat A, because there's a lot of them. There's Cat B and Cat C. And then after a bunch of those, you'll see a story called Cat. And then then you'll start a new story. Each one goes over one sentence. You'll see the word here, then the next line will have 2 words, then 3, then 4, until you finish your sentence. You practice reading the whole page like this. I have a cat. Oh, I understand what it says. I have a cat. Then the next time you go to read, you'll do Cat B, and then C, D, E, F, and then you'll get to one of these pages that has a story. And you've already read the whole story. You've read each of these sentences. You've practiced them at least 3 times. And you can read through the whole story. All right. Then you try the next one. But do you see how there's like a little slide on here? It's wee! It builds. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Your sentence gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And your stories get a little bit better each time. I think each story gets better and better. And look, there's tons of them. There are tons of them. You have 38 of these pages to do this year. So you want to get working. See how far you can get into this. Not every student is going to read all 38 Fluency sheet pages, and that's okay. But our goal is to become better readers. So if you're getting better, then you're doing it right. And that is so exciting. I can't wait to see how this goes. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, kindergartners.